Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and for today's video we are gonna do blueberry muffin. This recipe is shared by one and only Clive 999 from the Cheeky Squad. So Clive, thank you so much for this recipe. So without further ado, let's start baking. Hello, look guys, I'm so excited. I can't touch the thingy yet because it's still really hot. I just took it out from the oven. And thank you so much, Clive, for this recipe. Thank you so much. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm using a cupcake tin because I haven't got a muffin tin. So that's why it looks like that. So there it is. Let's give this to Tony, guys. Taste it. Basically told me to stop baking. Why do you want me to stop baking?
So I don't eat too much and get fat again. It's hot.
Yeah, it's just fresh from the oven. Careful.
Hot.
Show them the texture. That's the texture, guys.
Really
texture.
Nice.
Moist. Clive, thank you for your recipe, Clive. Clive 999, guys.
Good old Clive.
Yes, he's got a YouTube channel, so subscribe to his channel if you wanna learn more about baking.
Lovely. I can't rush it because it's hot in the centre.
So did you enjoy it?
Yeah, lovely. Thank you. Cool, it is rich in the centre, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Tony's eating it. One satisfied husband. Are you satisfied?
Oh, wonderful, yeah.
See you again, guys. Take care. Thank you for watching.